Use a soft, damp microfiber cloth and careful technique to clean computer screens and office electronics without risking damage. Start by powering down and unplugging devices to prevent short circuits and accidental inputs. For routine dusting, use a dry microfiber cloth in straight strokes from top to bottom to avoid streaking and to collect particles rather than push them around. For smudges, lightly dampen the cloth with distilled water only, or a mixture of equal parts distilled water and isopropyl alcohol at 70% or lower, applied to the cloth, not the device, and wipe gently without pressing on the screen. Avoid paper towels, tissues, or abrasive cloths because they can scratch coatings and leave fibers behind. For keyboards and crevices, use compressed air held upright in short bursts and follow with a soft brush or the corner of a microfiber cloth to lift debris, and for removable keycaps, consult the manufacturer before removing them. Clean touch surfaces like mice and touchscreens more frequently and allow any moisture to fully evaporate before powering the device back on to prevent corrosion. People often press too hard, which can fracture delicate display layers, so use light, even pressure, and let the cloth do the work. Another common mistake is spraying cleaners directly on screens, which can push liquid into seams and damage circuits, so always apply liquid to the cloth first. A third frequent issue is using household cleaners that contain ammonia or bleach because these strip anti-glare and protective coatings. Instead, use distilled water or a safe alcohol solution, and check the device manual when in doubt. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to home technology and renovations. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share practical cleaning tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice for caring for office electronics.